Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube Studio while signed into the account that uploaded the clip. You want to be in Content View so you can see all uploads, their visibility, and publish dates. This avoids deleting the wrong video. Once there, use the search or filter by visibility, date, or title to find the exact file. Make sure to confirm the upload date and thumbnail so you don't remove a different version. This saves time and prevents accidental loss. Now that you've found the file, click the three-dot menu beside it to see available actions and pick Delete Forever. YouTube requires you to check a confirmation box stating deletion is permanent, so pause and download a backup if you might need it later. This is your last chance. Once you confirm, the video is removed from your channel and search, which is why that final backup step matters. If multiple videos need removal, repeat carefully to avoid mistakes. After deletion, verify the removal by checking your channel, embedded links, and search results. Sometimes caching or synchronization delays mean the clip still appears. Clear your browser cache and cookies, check in an incognito window, and confirm you're signed into the correct account. If it still shows after 24 to 48 hours, contact YouTube support and provide the video ID and timestamps. This troubleshooting step helps resolve problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.